are making chapatis, rotis, and it's coming out of the machine. So right now I'm going to visit Moti Bagh Gurudwara and I'll show you the inside of that. And this is the Moti Bagh Gurudwara. You can see here. This Gurudwara is of Guru Tej Bahadur Ji. So guys, before entering Gurudwara you need to wash your hand the way I did. And now I'm going to Joda Ghar, that is like where you can give your footwears before entering the Gurudwara. So this is the Joda Ghar where okay. So where you have to give your shoes and then they will give you token and they are doing the service, they are doing the polish and then cleaning the shoes. See how they do. This is how they do the service. It's so nice, you know. This is they are doing the polishing of their footwear. They are providing their free services. Okay. See, people are sitting over here to clean their footwear, like to give their services to others. So guys, this is the best thing about Punjab and Guru. You know, I'm so great and I'm so lucky to be here. It's so nice to be here. People are so nice and so amazing.
Adventures with
Snigdha. So guys, before entering any Gurudwara, you need to wash or clean your leg, foot over here, and then you have to enter. So after entering, you have to read that is some message written on the board, and then you have to enter the Gurudwara. Now we are going inside the Gurudwara. This is the Gurudwara. See, and then you will find that on the top of the front of every gate, Gurudwara's gate. He's telling the story. Satsangat is going on right now. Now I just took the offerings, that is called prasad. Okay, so this place is the resting area of, it was the resting area of Guruji. After doing the satsang or reading the part, he used to rest over here. Yeah, you can see the resting area of the Guruji. Tej Bahadur Ji, that's the resting area of Guru Tej Bahadur Ji. If you can see that one, pink color. She's a very talented makeup artist. So now we are close to the lake that is called Sarovar in Punjabi language. Oh my god, this Sarovar looks so amazing. So this is the Sarovar. Look at the fish, guys, if you can see. So big. The entire thing is lake called Sarovar. So this, it burns for 24 hours I think all the time, and they put ghee in that. This is called jot. Say, now we are going to see the small Gurudwara after visiting this main big Gurudwara. And Patiala has made the two Gurudwaras, and this one was the second Gurudwara.
कुछ आंटी अजे नवा नवा औखा तो लगदा ही है, आदत बन जानी है.
So in Punjabi it is called Gatka, and kids are learning Gatka over here. You can see that over there. They are learning Gatka. And she's paying her free services there by cleaning this pathway. So whenever you are in Punjab,
ਕਹਿ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ ਰਾਤ ਦਾ ਕਲਚਰ ਵੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਦੇਖਣ ਲਈ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੈ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਸੁਖਾਸਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਦੁਖਨ, ਫਿਰ ਉਹ ਮਿਸ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਰਸ਼ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. ਥੋੜੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਇੱਕ ਦੋ ਵੀ ਲੈ ਲੈਣਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਰਹੇਗਾ.
okay. So whenever you are in Punjab, don't forget to, provide your free services. Do something for people. It will make you feel nice. People are very friendly, nice, funny over here. And right now I don't know how I look. I look like I don't know. This is the small Gurudwara, you can see. Under like that you have to do visiting. This view you get after climbing few stairs. This is how it looks. And that one. See. And behind me you can see that thing. Yeah, that one. Yeah, there they conduct national games, national international games I think.
NIS
Achhe. NIS something. So guys, this is how they eat langar.
Monty, आंटी दी भी बना लो.
बना लिया. आदि
सिंह है ना पटियाले वाले, उनके माता जी हैं.
अच्छे. So this is here they chop everything, all the vegetables,
इधरों आके बना.
and then they clean.
बोलो कुछ.
हाँ, बोल दिया.
पहले इधर से बना ले इनकी. ये भी बना ले थोड़ी सी. ऐसा आपको ये से लगा.
This is how they chop all the vegetables, and then they cook inside the langar kitchen.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा.
वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.
ਅੱਜ ਬੜਾ ਪਾਵਨ ਪਵਿੱਤਰ ਦਿਨ ਹੈ, ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਤੇਗ ਬਹਾਦਰ ਸੱਚੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਆਗਮਨ ਦਿਨ ਹੈ. ਗੁਰੂ ਤੇਗ ਬਹਾਦਰ ਸੱਚੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਦਿਨ ਇਸ ਸਥਾਨ ਤੇ ਆਏ ਸਨ। ਇੱਥੇ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਵੇਲੇ ਦੇ ਦੀਵਾਨ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ, ਗੁਰੂ ਘਰ ਲੰਗਰ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ। ਸ਼ਾਮ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਦੀਵਾਨ ਸਜੇਗਾ। ਗੁਰੂ ਦੀਆਂ ਸੰਗਤਾਂ ਸੇਵਾ ਕਰ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਗੁਰੂ ਤੇਗ ਬਹਾਦਰ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਆਉਣ ਦੀਆਂ ਸੰਗਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ,
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
लंगर
हाँ यार अंदर आओ,
And now I'm going inside the langar.
मेरे को व्हाट्सअप डाल देना, मैं वो
जी.
भेज
And I'll show you how they cook everything over there. They're making puris over here. This is how they make everything.
ਮਾਤਾ ਜੀ ਬਹਿ ਜਾਓ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਬਹਿ ਜਾਓ,
This is how they make everything inside the langar.
ਬਹਿ ਜਾਓ, ਪਹਿਲੇ ਮਾਤਾ ਨੂੰ ਬੈਠਣ ਦਿਓ।
And chapatis they are
ये मशीन है
making.
चपाती वाली,
Okay. In this
आटा आटा
machine.
डाल देते हैं
हाँ
तो रोटी के दम। हाँ बीबी आ बह जाओ, तुम भी उत्थे भी उधर भी आ रहे हैं। माता जी बनाती ये डालेगी यूट्यूब पे। उधर देखो आटा गूंथते हैं, उधर इसमें उधर दिखावा
Okay.
सामने
हाँ
लोग सादे रेलवे की इधर आ जाते हैं,
Okay.
इधर यहाँ से।
So that is
बड़ी
how
दूर
they
आई है,
knead the
थोड़ा
dough,
सा आई है।
and this is the machine where they are making chapatis, rotis, and it's coming out of the machine. They have all the available technology over here.
ये हेड है प्रसादे पकाते हैं, दर्शन सिंह के लांगरी के हेड
She is the head of this langar,
दर्शन सिंह
Darshan Singh, her name.
सेवादार एंड हरिंदर सिंह खालसा रागी प्रचार सकत्तर इंटरनेशनल कीर्तन कौंसिल पटियाला।
Okay. Now it's time to leave this Gurudwara, and I'll see you in some another video. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe.